Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn with the EcoDiesel engine. Again, this is the Bighorn EcoDiesel engine. This is a four-wheel drive crew cab. This is featured in brilliant black crystal exterior color with a diesel gray cloth interior. This has a very beautiful sparkly black color to it. Again, this has a diesel gray cloth interior. Just a beautiful vehicle. This has the black appearance package, which gives you black wheels. This also has the Ram boxes. This also has the spray and bed liner. Has the cargo rails, rear backup camera of course, rear 7-pin and 4-pin wiring along with the class 4 hitch, rear backup sensors. This also has the trailer tow mirrors which fold up. There we go, like so. Fold back down. Of course, it's going to have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat. Has all the Bluetooth controls so you can pair your compatible smartphone. Also has the built-in trailer tow group for your trailer. So if you have brakes for your trailer, you have those automatically, and they also are adjustable up and down. Also has the bigger 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, which gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay availability. Just a good looking truck, especially with those 20-inch matte black wheels. Again, it's got the black appearance group, which gives you all the emblems black wheels, black grille. Front fog lights, also has the front sensors. Again, this is stock number 28335T. This is the 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn EcoDiesel in crystal black with the black appearance package. If you have any questions on this beautiful crystal black Bighorn EcoDiesel or on any vehicle we have on the lot, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.